Human Rights Commission has gone to the media with all the letters. They never wrote to me. My spokesperson. Every statement I take out, the spokesperson's number is there. I belong to a party that has a secretary general. I've got a private secretary. I've got a secretary in my office. But they were playing politics. They were going to the media with statements, with letters that they wrote to me. I never received those letters. We found that letter 4 days from a PA, from one person that works at the Department of Sport, Arts and Culture. The humiliation of a junior worker coming with a letter that was meant for me. That's such a personal thing that I have to answer questions. Is that the Human Rights Commission? I'm not a lawyer, but one thing I know about the law is you have to hear both sides. Before they could hear my side, they already said there's prima facie evidence that he's guilty. They already said, what is my sentence going to be? They the judge, the jury, the executioner, the sentencer, except the investigator. I look forward to my day in court where I will cross-examine them. You can accuse me of many things. Listen, I'm guilty of many things. Racism, never. This is a campaign because people are scared in their minds. They think I'm running for president in 2029. And now they are trying already to eliminate me from the race. I am not even thinking along those lines. I'm thinking of doing the job that my president has tasked me to do.